Well, we're going to try this once again. Anyways, welcome back. Um, so one of the things that I was talking about for small businesses, you're trying to figure out how to make money in all kinds of different ways. One of the ways that you can do make some money if you have a website is to have some paid advertising. Where, for example, I use Google AdSense in order to display ads on my site. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is affiliate marketing. These are all about products that you like. You know, in the case for me, these are products that I use and I like and I recommend to other people. What I can do is I can advertise on the behalf of a company and put those advertising on my site in different ways. And if folks buy through it, which is no extra cost to the individual, then I will get some gain out of this. So let me show you some of the things that I'm doing. And I'm going to take you to my site. And this will kind of give you an idea. So on a basis, I post blog posts on my site. And in some cases, for example, this happens to be dealing with a book. This is a book that I think that you could really benefit from. I've read the book. I looked at it and I said, yeah, this is what small business owners need in terms of the book. Well, I provide links that go back to Amazon. And if you happen to purchase this book through these links, then I will get money back. It will not cost you any more in terms of what you would pay for the book, but I benefit because Amazon would like me to sell books to you. So with that also, that you need to make sure that clearly that you indicate that you are providing affiliate links. So that's something important that you need to do as far as your site is make sure that you let people know that that you're getting paid advertising for this. Okay, so that's important. But on my site, as you can see, I'm also getting some paid advertising that I have put in some Google AdSense, and I get, you know, if people click through the links, that I would get benefit from that. The problem is that I don't really get to control that, not as well as I would like to, and therefore I would like to maybe switch that out with some products that I do recommend. So one of the things that I recently did is I built out a resources page. I finished this a couple days ago, and this is looking at other individuals who are doing this. This is something that they recommend, you know, that you build out a resource page. And these are products that I am currently using and I would have no problem recommending to other people. And so actually in blog posts, I've gone ahead and recommended to other people these different services. So right now, you know, as you can see, recommending Bluehost and WordPress because that's what I use to build out my page. When I create videos, I'm using Camtasia, I'm using Wirecast, I'm using a Logitech 920 actually, but 922 is another one in line, which is a very good webcam. And these are just other products that I've been using. And so I'm just listing these products for your benefit and telling you these are the tools that I use and that you can go get them. Well, for some of these tools, that the product like Fiverr, which is a place where I got some virtual help, they have an affiliate program. And so I went in and looked at their affiliate program. I like the terms. And so basically, I'm advertising on their behalf. But I wanted to make sure, and I have my statement both at the top and bottom of this page. Let me get to the top here. that I am letting you know that these are affiliate links, right? But it's important that you do your own research. These are my recommendations, and I hope you that you enjoy them. But this is something that you could do for your site, is if you have products that you strongly believe in and that you think others can benefit from, you can build out a resource page as one thing. And other strategies that I'm using to going forward is I'm going to redo the advertising that I have on my site. Let's see if I can get to a page. And I don't have any on this particular page, but within, within a blog post, for example, I do have different advertising. And so I'm going to probably replace these with affiliate ads, something that I can better control. And that's really in line with what I want to share. So those are ways that you can do this. I hope this was useful, talking about this affiliate marketing. It's just another way of getting the word out about products, but also getting some financial gain. And if you're running a business, that's really one of the things you're trying to do. In addition to providing quality, it's also important you get paid for your efforts. So this helps me pay for my website, and that way I can keep sharing things. So this, hopefully, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Certainly, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up.